Hi there, future scientists and math wizards. Welcome to Smile Road. I'm Sir M, and I created this channel just for you, senior high school students looking to make science and math easier, clearer, and yes, even more fun. On Smile Road, we explore exciting lessons in general science, solve real life problems in general mathematics, and learn how these subjects connect to the world around us, from floating boats to your monthly budget. Each meeting, I'll guide you through lessons using simple explanations, real life examples, and even a few challenges to keep your brain sharp. Whether you're reviewing for exams, catching up on class topics, or just curious about how the world works, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you won't miss any of our learning adventures here on Smile Road. So, are you ready to start this journey with me? Let's walk the road of knowledge with a smile. We are now dealing with lesson number 15, determining the next term of a pattern, including the Fibonacci sequence. Intended learning outcomes, ILOs. So by the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to A. Identify different types of number patterns, arithmetic, geometric, and special sequences. Determine the next terms of a given pattern by analyzing its rule. Letter C. Explain the concept of the Fibonacci sequence and its formation. Letter D. Apply knowledge of number patterns in solving real-life and mathematical problems. Number 1. Introduction to patterns. A pattern is a repeated or regular way in which something happens or is arranged. In mathematics, patterns are sets of numbers or objects that follow a particular rule. Identifying patterns help us make predictions, organize information, and solve problems efficiently. Patterns are everywhere. The arrangement of petals in flowers, designs in tiles, daily schedules, and even in financial transactions. Recognizing them sharpens logical thinking and problem-solving skills. Common types of patterns. Arithmetic pattern. So a sequence where each term is obtained by adding or subtracting a constant number called the common difference. Example, 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. Here, the common difference is plus 3. That means 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 plus 3 is 14, 14 plus 3 is 17, and so on and so forth, etc. Number 2, geometric pattern. A sequence where each term is obtained by multiplying or dividing by a constant number called a common ratio. Example, 3, 6, 12, 28, 14. Here, the common ratio is times 2. So, 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. 24 times 2 is 48. 48 times 2 is 96. And so on and so forth. So, that is what we call geometric pattern. Number 3, special patterns. Not all sequences are strictly arithmetic or geometric. Some have unique rules, like squaring the previous term, alternating signs, or following special formulas. The Fibonacci sequence. One of the most famous number patterns in mathematics is the Fibonacci sequence, named after the Italian mathematician Leonardo of Pisa, known as Fibonacci. The sequence begins with 0 and 1. Its second term is found by adding the two preceding terms. Fibonacci sequences 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34. So the rule, if the sequence is written as F0, F1, F2, then Fn is equals to Fn minus 1 plus Fn minus 2, where F0 is equal to 0 and F1 is equal to 1. Number 3, special patterns. Not all sequences are strictly arithmetic or geometric. Some have unique rules, like squaring the previous term, alternating signs, or following special formulas. Applications of the Fibonacci sequence. The Fibonacci sequence is not just abstract mathematics. It appears in nature. The arrangement of leaves on a stem, the number of petals in flowers, the spiral shells of nails and nautilus, art and architecture. The golden ratio, related to Fibonacci numbers, is used to achieve balance and beauty. Computer science, used in algorithms, data structures, and coding problems. Financial markets, traders sometimes use Fibonacci ratios to predict stock price movements. Examples and exercises. Example 1. Find the next three terms of the patterns 4, 8, 12, 6. So solution, this is an arithmetic pattern with a common difference of 4. Next three terms would be 20, 24, 28. Example number 2. Find the next three terms of the pattern 2, 6, 8, 54. Solution. This is a geometric pattern with a common ratio of times 3. And the next three terms would be 162, 486, 1458. Example number 3. Find the next three terms of the Fibonacci sequence starting with 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. Solution, add the two preceding terms. So the next three terms would be 8, 13, and 21. Key takeaways. Patterns help us recognize order and predict what comes next. Arithmetic patterns use addition or subtraction. Geometric patterns use multiplication or division. The Fibonacci sequence is a unique pattern formed by adding the two preceding numbers with wide applications in nature, art, and science. Number 1, arithmetic sequence. If the pattern follows addition or subtraction by a constant, so to get the nth term, that will be an is equals to a1 plus n minus 1 times the d. And the next term formula is equal to an plus 1 is equal to an plus d. And then number 2, geometric sequence. If the pattern follows multiplication or division by a constant, an is equals to a1 times r raised to n minus 1. And then the next term formula is an plus 1 is equal to an times the r. R there is the common ratio. Number 3, Fibonacci sequence, defined as the sum of the two preceding terms. So Fn is equals to Fn minus 1 plus Fn minus 2 with initial values F1 equal to 1, F2 is equal to 1. So the next formula will be Fn plus 1 is equal to Fn plus Fn minus 1. So, general pattern recognition formula. Sometimes patterns do not follow a strict arithmetic, geometric, or Fibonacci rule. In such cases, t sub n plus 1 is equal to a function of tn minus 1, and so forth, where the next term depends on a rule or function f. These formulas will help learners determine the next term depending on whether the sequence is arithmetic, geometric, Fibonacci, or custom defined pattern. Formulas: arithmetic sequence, a sequence where each term is obtained by adding a constant difference to the previous term. So the general n term an is equals to a1 plus n minus 1d. Next term will be an plus 1 is equals to an plus d. And then the arithmetic sequence, a sequence where each term is divided by multiplying a common ratio to the previous term. So the general term, n term, an is equal to a1 is equals to r minus n1. The next term is equals to an plus 1 is equals to an times r. Number 3, Fibonacci sequence, a special sequence where each term is the sum of the two preceding terms. Formula is fn is equals to fn minus 1 plus fn minus 2, where f1 is 1 and f2 is 1. So next term, fn plus 1 is equal to fn plus fn minus 1. Number 4, other common patterns, square numbers. An is equals to n squared. Cubic numbers, an is equal to n cubed. Triangular numbers, an is equal to n times n plus 1 over 2. And then with these formulas, learners can determine the next term of a given sequence by identifying whether it follows an arithmetic, geometric, Fibonacci, or special pattern. Practice problems. Number 1, 3, 7, 11, 15, and then what's the next number? So you are given 3, 7, 11, 15. The required is the next term. So solution, there is a common difference. 7 minus 3 is 4. And this is arithmetic sequence. So the final answer is 19. Number 2, 50, 45, 40, 35, and then what's the next term? So given 50, 45, 40, 35. Require the next term. Solution, common difference, negative 5. So arithmetic sequence. So the final answer is 35 minus 5 equal to 30. Okay, so practice problem number 3. Negative 8, negative 4, 0, 4, and what's the next number? So we're given negative 8, negative 4, 0, and 4. Require the next term. So solution, common difference is plus 4. And that is arithmetic sequence. So 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 is the final answer. Number 4, 2, 6, 18, 54, and what's the next number? So, given 2, 6, 8, 54. Require the next term. Solution, there is a common ratio, and that is 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. So, geometric sequence. It means that every term is multiplied by 3. So 54 times 3 is 162, and that is the final answer. We will have the next part of this lesson, number 15.